Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing another 360 Z luxury lighter from Zippo. So this is a 360 engraved all around. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button. So this is new for 2021. So this is a wolf lighter. So it's like a hologram plus engraved. So this is armor case again. The detail is amazing. It has like a black ice finish to it. So this is $200 for the Canadian market. Leave me a comment below to let me know what you think about this amazing lighter and what you want to see next in the channel. We're going to be getting more amazing lighters soon from 2021. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.